Hello guys, you know, keyword is a thing which is very important to grow your YouTube channel. If you have lot of keywords and good keywords, so your channel will become in searching and in front of YouTube channel. Then your channel will come in trending. So we here learn how we can use keyword. Or first you click on Google Chrome, and here you will write YouTube. So this type of interface will be open. So you will choose desktop site, and this type of interface will be open in your front. So you click on your channel icon. When you click it on your channel icon, so you click on your channel, you choose here from your channel. After choose the channel, this type of interface will be open in your front. So guys, this type of interface will come, and here you click on your YouTube channel icon, and you choose here your channel, and you click on your customized channel. After choose the customized channel, this type of again interface will be open. So this is here searching now. Guys, here is net very slow. So you choose here basic information. This is a channel banner icon and Google. So this is description. You come in down, and here you can see a little scene of YouTube setting. You choose this scene and come in your channel. This here is you can write keywords. This is the main thing of YouTube channel. With the help of these keywords, your channel will come in searching, in trending. So I am writing here all keywords. We save this setting.